got one. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Dang, son! I got a bass! Woo-hoo! First one on the fly rod, baby, and it's on the GoPro! Let's go! Damn, son, that thing fought like a fucking champ on this. Oh, I see that catfish. He's a little guy, but what are the size restrictions here, do you know? I mean, we can get some good fillet, we can get a decent fillet off of him. I say let's keep him on that, and in the worst case we'll let him go when we get bigger ones. South Carolina is 12 inches. He's close. He is a little guy. I'm hoping we can let him go if we get some bigger ones. Dude, that was an adrenaline rush. Dude, fly fishing. I'm so happy I got that on the GoPro.